Greetings and salutations all. In this video, we're going to go ahead and create our first ever webr-powered Quarto document. To do so, please open up your copy of RStudio, then go to where you see the project option in the top right, press New Project, then select New Directory, select the Quarto project option under Project Type, type the name of the directory here as demo-webr, and go ahead and press Create Project. What's going to happen next is you now have an RStudio specific project for your document, which means that in the lower right-hand side, you will always be taken into the same authoring environment for your Quarto document. This is important because Quarto documents are being done on a per directory basis when it comes to using extensions. So we need to get the webr extension by going to the lower left-hand side where you're seeing the R console, clicking on Terminal, and then what we're going to do is type Quarto space add space coatless / Quarto-webr, press Enter. We're going to be asked if we trust the author, say Y, and then we're going to be asked if you are okay with installing the filter, press Y again, and we can now see the filter has been installed because in the Files panel, we now have the underscore extensions folder present. With the underscore extensions folder present, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the demo-webr document. We're right now under the visual mode. We can either use visual or we can switch into source. For simplicity, I'm going to use source. And we're going to change the document slightly. First, we're going to add the filters keyword. And when we add the filters keyword, what we're going to then list underneath is the webr filter. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to where we see this R code chunk. We're going to go ahead and enable the webr version of this R code chunk by prepending the R with webr. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and save the document and then press Render. And on the far right-hand side, we now have our first ever Quarto document where if we go ahead and press the Run Code button, notice that we're able to interactively run different code. To emphasize that this is an interactive environment, we're going to go ahead and now just say Plot Pressure and press Enter. And you can see on the lower right-hand side, the 1 + 1 was replaced with a pressure graph using a scatter plot. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and I look forward to seeing you and your creations next time through. Bye now.